Hey guys, and welcome back to Legos Island. So, today it is Monday, September 21st, 2020. My god, is the recording lagging or something? Because, wow. Oh, okay, I think it's fixed. Okay. Oh, okay, good. I'm very glad we passed the time for when the whole thing went down. You guys remember a few days ago when we got that warning? Well, I'm glad we're now past that time because now everything's normal again. So let's go. Let's go to OI. Yep, let's go to Legos Island. I have absolutely no idea what we're going to be building today. Yeah, we're actually going to be building something. Like, again. Because, yeah. That's something. Alright. Let's do this. Let's go in here. A new Creations World will be out here. And actually, I just finished the fall event. And yes, you might notice, this looks a little bit different right here. It says 9/20/20 at 10:37 p.m. Now, just why? Well, it's because I actually updated something. And no, it was not free under Room 9 that I updated. No, I'll show you what I mean in just a second. Let's just get it in here. Yep, this is still here. This is where I last was last night, and it's still really, really fun. Hold on, let me clear out all this junk, and I'll tell you why that was there in a minute. Because a lot was kind of happening today. So we're gonna head in, and we're gonna do something for once. Oh, right, forgot. Don't have a light on. You can't have it back on for the next 3 days. Yeah, I've been wearing this armor all week, and I'm kind of glad. Because this doesn't end until the 24th. And oh, I forgot to change this. Let me do that. I should release like a fall banner for that. But, oh well. There we go. Fixed. Now, what was updated yesterday? It's this. Yup, I updated it, guys. I literally updated it. Now, yes, there was actually supposed to be an episode yesterday. We forgot about that. I'll give you the new schedule right now. Take a look. Yep. That's the new schedule. I updated it yesterday. Roscoe's actually seemed proud of it. For once. Oh, actually, let's take advantage and do something. Let's actually go grab one of the horses, actually. I kind of want to actually go grab one of them. Because why not? Because now that we have this extra path over here, we actually have some good time to grab some horses. Who do we want to take today? Honestly, I have no idea who we want to take today. I have no idea who I want to take today for the thing. Yeah, we'll take Skeleton Horse 1. I mean, why not? Oh, right. Gotta break this. Actually, I should probably replace all those gates with fences. So I could just break them out. Anyway, yep. See, look. See, I told you that barn would be useful for something. We just go over there every time I just want to grab a horse. See, is my sound on? Good. Okay, so you're probably wondering, what are we doing today? Well, honestly, I have absolutely no idea. Well, I am heading down to the campsite for a reason. And there actually is a reason. Shouldn't there be a block here? Hold on. Yeah, there should be a block, like, right here. Yeah, there we go. Why is that not there? An Enderman probably took it. Oh, hey, we're actually able to get up here with the horse. Nice. Oh, I should probably restore my ticket count, actually. Let me do that, because we're almost, like, 3 days away. Yeah, let me restore my ticket count for the fair. Let me just find an anvil, and we're just gonna do that right now. So I haven't had the ticket count in my inventory for like the last few episodes, like I haven't had my tickets in here for the fair recently. And actually, we'll be playing all fair games on Wednesday. Yup, that will be a fun one. Yup, we'll be doing it all on Wednesday. The reason why I don't want to do it now is just because I want to do something else. Darn, we're gonna dedicate all of Wednesday's episode to the fair game. Trust me. Oh, frick! I forgot to update how many we have. Currently, we have 30. But yeah, I'll save that episode for Wednesday. Now where's the horse? There he is! Get back here! Actually, we're actually going over here. Yeah, I think it's about time. We're actually gonna head over here. Huh? What about a dedicated change for once? Now actually I do need him because we're actually gonna head over this way. There we go! Now we won't get lost. Okay, so you're probably wondering, why are we heading over here? Well, it's because, guess what? I want to actually make something in here. I've been wanting to actually do it since Lego's out in summer, like towards the very end. I wanted to do something. And don't worry, the waterfall is staying. Don't worry, I love it still. That's why I'm not getting rid of it. It's just, what if we made something behind the waterfall? That would be so cool. Oh, we're doing it. We are making something behind the waterfall to do that. Yeah, we're making something behind the waterfall. It's about time. I'll leave it. I'll leave it like that. So you're probably wondering, what the heck are we going to be building under here? Well, surprisingly, we're actually going to be building something that will actually dedicate the underwater. Yep, we'll be building something that actually will dedicate the underwater. So, hooray? I don't know. What do you guys think? What should I build underwater? Like, behind this huge thing. Okay, apparently, we need stone slabs to fix that. Yo, we need stone slabs to fix that problem. Let me add those in now. Okay, fixed. Okay. Okay, that problem is fixed. At least I don't have to deal with that now. Let me actually get some torches so we can actually start building. Now you're again probably wondering, what the heck am I building back here? Honestly, I have no idea. I guess maybe just a little, like, water cave or something? I don't even know! But I think it's about time I finally build something back here. I haven't done anything with this room at all. Like, I've literally done nothing with this waterfall. I honestly don't know what could I be building back here. I honestly don't even know, honestly. That's why I'm kind of confused. What the heck could I build back here? have no idea what I would build. Yeah, I have no idea what I would build back here. That's the problem. Should have probably thought of this ahead of time, but I didn't. RIP! Maybe this could be a secondary underwater room. Actually, how high are we actually from here? Okay, we're only just under here. That's okay. Let's get back down. Oh yeah, we got a long way. I honestly don't even know what to build back here. Like, what is something we have not had back here yet? You know, maybe I can configure the whole waterfall. Maybe I can configure the whole waterfall back here. That would be so cool to just configure the whole waterfall. To have like the whole waterfall. That would be so cool. It would be so cool to have the whole underwater. Hold up 1 second. Hold up. I have a solution. I have a very good solution about what's about to happen. So what's about to happen is I'm gonna block this really quick. 1 sec. This should not take long. There we go. Let's just block that for a second. And then reopen it as something completely different. Sweet! I think we got it. Actually, I don't think we need to fully open it up, because what would happen is if I fully opened up the waterfall, that would make it very easy to see what was actually back here. So I don't think we need to actually open up the entire waterfall. I think what we need to do is just keep it nice and simple. We need to keep it open and in. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put back everything I just did for the waterfall. I'm gonna put it all back. Oh, let's put that back to make sure I actually. Oh no! Let's put it back. I think that's how it was. Hold on. 1 second. 1 second. I'll put it back in a second. Let me just do something here. How do we want to do this? We could have this huge room behind the waterfall. But I have no idea what I want to do. What would be good to put behind a waterfall? That's something I want to know. What would be cool to put behind a waterfall? Because I have no idea. I've been wanting to put something behind here ever since the almost end point of Lego's Island Summer this year. Like before that, I never thought of doing anything. I just thought of just keeping the waterfall alone. Just leaving that alone. But no, I feel like actually making something back here. That would actually look cool. Oh, this is already starting to look cool. What can I do? What am I supposed to do? Uh-oh. No. We don't need that. We don't need that. We need to cover it back up again. come on, can we just get a straight line here? That'll actually work? Jeez. Well, I mean, that's all we're getting. Wait a minute! Hold up 1 second! I have a solution for this problem. I have a solution. I have a very, very good solution. There we go! That's what we're talking about. Let's actually let it go here. Well, actually, the only one I really don't care about is this one. Oh. Yeah. Oh, come on! That is annoying to deal with. Right, now I gotta cover it all back up again. Dang it. Not again! Okay, at least I got that part covered. I don't think we really need that part, though. The rest I don't care about. How do I keep this hidden away? I think... Hold on. Hold on. I have no idea. Like, what's something that we have not done yet? We have built so much on this island. Jeez. We have built so much on this island. Like, seriously, what else can I do? And no, there is going to be no path going up to this. You actually have to go up the river. You have to actually go up the stream to get up here. My guess is, we would have to go here. To make the waterfall, to make the waterfall seem more hidden, we're actually going to do that. There we go. I think the waterfall seems as good as it's going to get. Yeah, I honestly like it that way to begin with. Yeah, yes, that's kind of how it was originally. So, alright, now that we got that randomness out of the way, let's start building something that'll actually fit this theme. Maybe we could have, like, I honestly don't even know. Maybe we could have, like, a whole room that's, like, I don't know. Could it be, like, fully, like, a room that's, like, full of, like, random items or something? Look, I don't know! I have no idea. I should have planned this out. Maybe full of rare items that are never seen on the island. I honestly don't even know what to do back here. Maybe it might just be a random room. I'm just trying to see, like, what else we haven't done yet here on the island. Maybe a secondary place for the campsite. I honestly don't know. Built the campsite almost 2 years ago, at least in November. Yeah, maybe a secondary place for the campsite that most likely can actually connect over to, like, the underwater room, maybe. Yeah, maybe I can make like a room that actually just like connects over to another room on the island. That would be cool, actually. I actually want to see if I can actually do that, but I don't know if it's possible. Over here, we're no longer in the waterfall area, so we could definitely make something out of this room. But I just don't know what. It's just so annoying that I can't think of anything. This is why I should probably think ahead of like what idea I should put. So I've done almost everything I can think of for this island. But I don't think we're done building yet on this island. Yeah, we are not done with this island. I'm not done building. I need to make more stuff. I know I may already have enough, but it's good to still make more stuff. Because it can really expand the island. Because I want to keep adding new rooms throughout this year. And I also realized that there's not really been that many new rooms introduced aside from the ice core rooms. Yeah, not many new rooms have been introduced this year so far. And it's kind of why I want to keep doing that now, so I actually have more rooms to have here on the island. What if I did this? That looks nice. You could have a whole room dedicated to this. It could be like a huge open area filled with, I don't know, just all this random stuff. I don't know. What would you guys like to see, to be honest? Because I honestly have no idea, no intentions, like anything right now. Like I have no idea what I want to make. This is annoying. This is seriously annoying because you'd think I would have an idea right before filming, but no. I surprisingly don't this time. Yeah, surprisingly this time, I have literally no idea what I want to do. At least we got that area covered. So, yeah, like, this could be a really cool open area that we could use for, like, I don't know, just something cool. I don't know. We'll have to see what happens. I feel I could use the, like, behind this whole waterfall, because literally, if you haven't forgotten yet, this is literally behind this waterfall. Yep, it's literally behind this whole waterfall. This whole thing is behind this waterfall. Yep, this whole thing is behind this waterfall. And it's cool. And I don't want to make this another underwater room because we already got that. Maybe, like, well, maybe there could be, like, water in the background. But, it would only depend on, like, that. Okay, so I think I have an idea. I think what we can do with this room is, like, we can have, like all the potions we've used. Like, all the effects that we've used on the island recently. You know what? That is not a bad idea. However, I have to think of a good design. How do I want this room to look? Well, I just thought of one. Woo! Guess what, guys? Guess what it's gonna be? It's gonna be literally what I do here, and well, what it's gonna be is basically gotta find a good one that'll actually stand out. we're gonna have water all over this room. No, it's not gonna be flooding this room. It's gonna be in the background of this room. Oh, you'll see what I mean in just a minute. Let me just put all of this here. Yeah, I think this room's already big enough. Yeah, I think this room's already big enough. Yeah, I mean, yeah, look at the size of this. Yeah, I think it's plenty big enough. Oh, yeah, that also reminds me. We need to actually make lights in this room. And don't worry, I'll do that in a minute. Let me just do this first, and you guys will see what I mean in a minute. Don't worry, I'm gonna do something epic for this room. It'll feel like that we're actually behind the waterfall. Actually, let me get some light while we're at it, so, yeah. Alright, we are almost there. Uh-oh. Yeah. On second thought, I don't think we're doing that. At least right there we aren't. Yeah, let's actually just do this. It makes it easier. Also, I wouldn't have to expand the room. Yeah, this whole room can be underwater. Well, not specifically underwater. It may seem like it will be, but in reality, it really isn't. Now, what do I mean by underwater? Yeah, you'll see in a second. Just wait. Wait for it. I'm gonna take out all of this. And all of this is gonna be water. Literally. I'm gonna put all this in as water. Yup, that's how cool it's becoming. Like, we're gonna actually make it feel like we're actually behind the waterfall. Yep, we are literally gonna make it seem like we are actually inside the waterfall. Because technically, we will be. We need this. Alright, I'm back again. Just have to back now. We're doing this. Oh, come on! Okay, I guess it'll end there. Well, at least for that part. Over here, we're fine. Because this literally has nothing behind it. Yo, we could have like this whole room dedicated to all the effects we did. We literally could have this whole room dedicated to it. And it's gonna be awesome because it really shows how much this room truly is. Now, for the fun part, we fill it with water! Yes! Okay, I have no idea what that was for. That was weird. Alright, let's go! Let's fill this whole thing with water, and I'm actually serious. We are literally filling this whole room with water. Don't get it yet? Well, you're about to see it in just a second. Hold on. Wait for it. Wait for it. Yeah! That's what we're talking about. Yep. There we go. Well, actually, we still gotta do the ceiling. Look at this. We are literally in the water. And actually, once we're done, it will truly make it feel like we are actually in the water. Now first, I gotta do this. The reason why I gotta do this is because I actually gotta take out all the flooring, and then we put this stuff above it. We have to take out the whole floor, 2 blocks of each, and then I'm gonna put the water like on the first block, and then we put this block right here, right here. We put the water down there, but then put that block there. You guys see where I'm going, right? Yeah, I think this is actually a good idea to actually do this, like, behind the waterfall. It's super cool because I never thought of doing this before. Like, I imagined, like, an underwater themed room, but I did not think of, like, what the heck were we gonna put in here? Well, then I thought, let's just do all the potion effects that we've done over the years on the island. Oh, and I might also put back all of these. I might also put all the days for when we originally used these potions, but I honestly don't likely see that happening. Unless you want me to. Actually, comment down below if you want me to. And I might add it in the next episode if you guys want it. Okay, we are almost done. We only got a tiny bit more of the floor left, and we should be all good. Alright! There we go! That is done, but we aren't done yet. Of course. I realized something. We have to go behind here again. And we also have to update these just to match. Darn. Oh, God. There we go! This is epic. This is so freaking epic. I love it. Oh, and one thing, we will not be able to do this on the other side, so, just be warned. Oh, okay, yeah, we won't be able to do this. Forget that. Yeah, forget that happened, because that is never coming. Okay, now time to do it on this side, and we do it for all of this. Hold on, we do this too. There we go. All done. At least in a few seconds we will be, hopefully. Assuming this doesn't take me years to do, unlike all the other times. And no, we are not doing down there. I want to see how much detail this will be. Because it will really show how much detail is actually in this room. I want to make as much epic detail to this room as possible. I want to make this look actually good, that you'll actually want to be in here at certain times. So I want to add as much detail to the room as possible, so I actually have something good to look at whenever I come in here. Or if any of you guys find this world, maybe you would too. Now time to get out of here and see the background. My God, that looks beautiful! That looks beautiful! I love it! Why does this have to look so freaking good? Okay, we're doing it down here. Yep, we are so doing it down here. It's gonna look epic if we do it down here. Yeah, we're not going to do on the edges there. At least we'll do those walls. Look, we're already over halfway done already. See, this is how quick I am with all these rooms. And let me just put a light there so I can actually see that. Alright, there we go. We are almost done. With this part at least. And then we fill this part with water after. So, well, after we do the edges. Right here, which is this. I don't really care about the stone there. I don't care about the stone there like I care. I can care less about that. As for this, I actually do want to get it done. So I don't have to do it later. Alright, and we are almost done because, yep, see, look, we're almost done. And then I fill this whole thing with water, at least on the bottom it is. And then we are done. Hold on, forgot that. I keep forgetting that. Alright, let's finish this. Yep, this part will all be filled with water right here. And no, we are not going any higher than this. Stay like this. You have to get all the water. And there we go. Now, we just put it above, and we will see how epic this looks. Almost done. Look at all the detail I'm putting into this room. I also might want to, my god, that looks so good. Yeah, that looks epic. Although I might actually add some actual lights to that. Let me add some sea lanterns and I think we'll be all good. So yeah, forget the torches. We're adding actual sea lanterns into this room. Hold on, 1, 2, 3, and then we break into that. And then we do sea lantern. We will do sea lantern. Yeah, we will do a sea lantern right here, right where I broke that one. There we go. And then put that back. Yeah, that looks really cool. More epic than I realized. have no idea what I'm doing. What the heck am I doing? Am I just doing it in the wrong place? Oh, I was! Got it. Okay, I got it. It's confirmed I was doing it in the wrong place. Alright, can we actually do it this time? There we go. That's epic. Yeah, that's already epic. Probably gonna have to put some on the bottom. You know what? I'll come back once I actually do all of that. Alright, you guys should be proud because I got all the boring stuff out of the way on pause. Yeah, you guys are in for a treat because I already got all the boring stuff out of the way while having it paused. So what I did on pause was I finished the rest of this. I added in like the rest of the stuff. And now, yeah, and you might also notice I do have night vision on. I actually did need to turn that on just to finish the last few things, but we can sincerely turn that off now. Okay, this looks a lot more darker without it, but oh well, it looks cool. I don't think I'm going to add anything to the floors, honestly, because I already did that. Like, I literally already did that. And it looks so freaking cool. How epic does this look? I know, right? Well, I might improve it later on. Maybe off camera after this video. I might go back and improve something. But, you guys get the point. It's time for the biggest part of this whole thing. I think we all know. Actually, we might even need night vision for this whole room, honestly. You know what? Maybe that should be a thing. You should only have night vision on for this. Yeah, I think this room should actually require night vision. How about that? Would that be cool? This room would actually have to have you require night vision. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna have this room only require night vision. And speaking of which, night vision will be in this room. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna make a whole thing here showcasing all the potions we have done here on the island in the last few years. And it's gonna be so much fun just looking back what we did. It's gonna be awesome, right? I know. And that's kind of what I want to do here is have some cool things. Of course, we would obviously have night vision in like this room. You would obviously need night vision for this room. That's specifically what the point is. But the point being is we can use any effect that I used on Lego's Island throughout the last year and a half. Okay, I have no idea what that was for. That was something. But yep, we can display all the potions we used throughout our journey here on Lego's Island so far. We could have the water here. We could have night vision there. And then a few blocks away, we could have like this. Like we could have, I don't know, regen right there. That would be cool. We could have, I honestly don't even know. What would be so cool? Hold on. Let's actually have it near here. Yes, you will need night vision for this room. It is required. And I will put a sign out in the waterfall that actually will require you to turn on night vision for this room. Because you will actually need it. Now, why? Well, it makes the room look even cooler if you have it on. Because without it, again, let me show you again what it looks like without it, because it honestly looks pretty horrible. Well, it's not horrible, it's just, it looks a little bit meh. It doesn't look as good. But with night vision, hell yeah, it looks better. It looks way better with night vision. So I recommend turning on night vision if you ever enter this room, if you ever come to this world. if you want to enter this room, you have to have night vision. Actually, let's make it even more extreme. There we go. Okay, making sure. What else have we used on Lego's Island recently? Oh, right. We've used the. Actually, I want to go in the order of the potions. Yeah, I want to go in the order of the potions. Yeah, I want to go in the order of the potions. Yeah, why don't we do that, actually? We could have, like, a huge display. Well, actually, I still need that. Yeah, there we go. See? Now we have a huge display that we can use. And, we can actually turn on any of these potions whenever we want. That's the cool, awesome part of this room. Is we can turn on these at any time. Anywhere. But you, again, have to have night vision when going in this room. That's the #1 requirement. Yep, that is the #1 requirement for this room. You need night vision to enter this room. And also, let me also put it here to actually say that you actually do need it. Hold on. Let's go into the potion. Because if you don't have night vision on, you can't go in the room. Which I will eat, like that right there that you saw, you can easily just pick it up there and, you know, turn it on. Or obviously by using commands. But I don't know what you would use. Oh, we don't want that. We do not want that. God, I made a mistake. I made a mistake, guys. I made a very clear mistake. A very, very dumb mistake. Okay, we're all good. Alright, yep, it can go back now. God dang it, no! No! Come on! There we go. Ah! No! I messed up the waterfall! Dang it! I messed it up! That sucks. That really does suck. I have officially messed up the waterfall. Guys, I might have to redo the waterfall entirely because I messed it up. So, yeah, and don't worry, this won't be long, trust me. Yeah, this will not take long, trust me. If it was, then I would have been here for ages. But I messed up the waterfall. Time to clean it up again. Oh my god, that's what it looks like without the waterfall! Oh my god! That's literally what it looks like without the waterfall. But don't worry, that's about to change in a sec. We're obviously putting it back. Yeah, don't worry. See? We're putting the waterfall back. God dang it! No! No, that sucks! Guys, do you not realize what I did? Do none of you realize what I did? I messed up the waterfall entirely. I might have to take out this. Guys, I entirely messed up the waterfall. I feel so bad for myself right now. I feel so bad right now. I messed up the waterfall. I messed up. I freaking messed up. I feel so bad right now. I feel so bad right now messing it up. I know it's just a stupid waterfall, but I want to actually make you guys proud for once. Aha! It's fixed! At least hopefully it is. I think we got it. Alright, let's hope the waterfall is fixed. I seriously hope, because I do not want to redo that again. I think that's how it was. But yeah, you can actually come in here and turn on any of these effects whenever you want. That's the point of this room. But yeah, this room looks so freaking epic. It feels like you're underwater. Yep, you literally do have to go through the waterfall to enter this room. RIP! Oh! Oh, never mind. Okay, I thought it was gonna be worse than that. Okay, I am so glad that it did not get any worse than that. Let's hope it doesn't. Because that would be bad. I mean, real bad. Okay, I think we're good. Let's hope. Okay, so what we're gonna do is obviously night vision. The next potion I definitely remember is regen. Yup, regen is definitely what I remember next. I want to go in the order of the potions. So yeah. Okay, yep, let's just do regen. I forgot. One sec. What is the longest one we can do? Yep, there we go. That's what I think. Regeneration, let's put that there because that was another very useful one. Next one I definitely remember is the luck potion. I remember that one entirely. I think that was the last one we used for 2018. This was used originally in 2017. And then I don't think for like another year we had any other potions being used. So I think we move on to the strength potion. Yeah, I'm trying to look. Okay, so we have, yep, fire resistance. I remember that one. That's from the, well, I know the regen cap already gave us regen back in the day, but, wait, where is resistance? Is resistance in here? Is resistance in here? I don't think we have a resistance potion. We do not have a resistance potion. Yeah, we do not have a resistance potion. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Okay, that's the closest we're gonna get to resistance. Yep, strength, resistance, fire resistance, because I remember all of those. And I don't know. Oh, hold up. Slow falling. Yep, slow falling is definitely one of them. That was from Operation Meltdown earlier this year in January. Well, at the beginning of this year. Yeah, it is so cool looking at this. And then, what else did we use? What else did we use? I think that was it, actually. Actually, I want to see what this does to you. Yeah! Whoa! Whoa! Look at that! Oh, the slow potion. Yeah. That is something I do not want to see again. At least we get resistance. What was after slow falling? I think speed was after slow falling. Yeah, I think speed was after slow falling. We need speed too. What was after that? I don't remember the last effect we used for Labor Day. Right, I think it was like something. So yeah, speed was one of them. And I think that was it. Actually, let's see what I used throughout the war. Let's take a look at my channel. Let's see, what did I use throughout that war? Yeah, what were the effects I used? Just wait till the whole thing is over to actually hit. Aha! Jump boost! Yes! That's what we like to see. Okay, and the last one was jump boost. Sweet! Wait a minute. Was there a second jump boost potion? I think that's what we used. Yeah! There we go. Those are all the potions we've used so far on the island. I'm not sure about the others. But yeah, look at all of those. That is awesome. We have completed the room. That is so cool, right? So yeah. Look at all of these potions. That is awesome, right? Thank you guys for watching the video because that's it. Okay, I'm hopefully making sure I fix the waterfall. But yeah, it looks so cool in there. It looks so cool. I'm always gonna want to come in there now. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. I'll see you later for the creations episode. And with that being said, goodbye! But honestly, I am so glad I managed to put something back there. Finally! I mean, it only took, like, 3 years. Well, technically 2 if you count the campsite building project. I always wondered what I would put behind the waterfall. Or I guess it would have just always stayed that way. Anyway, who cares now? There's something back there. And that is all that needs to be said.